Hi everyone, are you looking for a good budget drone from Aliexpress? Then you have come to the right place. Here you will find a budget drone of desired features as per your requirement. I have selected the top 5 best Aliexpress 4K GPS drones for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links to the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the best drone is Visuo XS 818 GPS 4K drone. This RC drone outfitting works in GPS and optical stream arranging structure ensures consistent and definite flight. It is a foldable machine, with more extensive arms that are to some degree greater. It is an unnecessarily utilitarian RC quadcopter with an amazing appearance and foldable structure. This RC drone can be passed on wherever at whatever point as it is foldable. So once you are done using it you can cover it. It has an awesome appearance that makes the foldable machine continuously appealing and looking unprecedented. It is made of plastic and offers a flight time of about 18 minutes, by virtue of its organized 7.4-volt, 1800 mAh battery. The optical stream mode 1 button bring the position back. There is 1 key to land and takes off, flight way, trading speed. The video signal, photo movement, MV creation, 3 control modes, and including a joystick. Its significant standard 4 kelvins camera with a 90-degree adaptable point. It has a 5G Wi-Fi picture transmission, gets the most magnificent scenery. It offers 2 sharp pictures, giving exceptional travel. It has a 20-meter indoor optical stream situating. It comes with a headless mode. The 1-key return, low force return, GPS follow me options available. And at number 4, the best drone is M1 Pro 2 4K drone. It has an adjustable 4 kelvins 5G Wi-Fi HD camera. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission. Enjoy real-time images through app. Professional 4 kelvins camera with 110-degree wide angle can adjust 90-degree, recording every wonderful moment. It is a built-in 2-axis gimbal, reducing vibration and shooting more stable. This drone built-in 11.1-volt, 4000 mAh lithium polymer powerful battery, and 30 minutes flight time. 4 1350 kV brushless motors enable the M1 to fly stably at high speed. 3 kinds of flight speed, provide different wind resistance abilities. 120-degree wide-angle scene shot and 90-degree camera angle, switch photo or video mode smartly according to hand gesture. It provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return to home function for the safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Intelligent follow. Automatically maintain a safe distance. The camera will follow the movement of the person and then turn. 1 button takeoff and landing. The remote control distance of 1.6 kilometers. Automatic around the point of flight. Intelligent return system. In the case of low power, out of control can be recalled by 1 button. Real-time map. Route planning. Up to 16 waypoints. The app displays real-time data such as remote control, flight altitude. The small, compact, and extremely portable design makes it can be carried anywhere at will, and it can be launched easily and quickly. Obviously, having a foldable drone makes it easier to take risks. And at number 3, the drone is KF107 GPS RC drone. The KF10 drone with 4 kelvins camera is one of the affordable beginner-level quadcopters that you can buy for an exhilarating flight experience. However, a good aircraft is known for its features, specifications, and flight functions. This drone has an HD wide-angle 90-degree adjustable camera with 50x zoom. You can capture unforgettable moments without distortion, and view the image on your phone through a wide-angle lens. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to app, APK system to take photos and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. Very suitable for flagship aerial photography. The RC quadcopter body is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics. The arm is foldable, small in size, easy to carry, lightweight and durable, and very easy to operate. 7.4-volt, 3000 mAh intelligent lithium battery, 25 minutes of ultra-long battery life. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one key. 1806 brushless motor, superpower, long life. Indoor flight is more stable with an optical flow camera. Shooting Douyin function. Camera pictures can be rotated and enlarged, and shrunk. The camera can be switched up and down. This is a perfect drone that can fly easily and stably for beginners, children, beginners, or novices. And at number 2, the drone is MJX Bugs B4W GPS drone. This drone compared with the previous MJX Bugs drone. B4W drone equipped with full HD 2K camera, 30 fps with 8 megapixel CMOS sensor. Built-in single-axis mechanical gimbal, which can reduce shake and keep shots stable effectively. The camera angle can be remotely controlled to pitch from 90 degrees to 0 degrees, wide-angle lens, retain the most original details. MJX4W quadcopter equipped with adjustable 2 Kelvins Full HD 5G Wi-Fi camera. Video record 500 meter FPV distance, real-time app control iOS and Android. Smart remote control alarm function, GPS smart return, one key return, point of interest, altitude hold. Ultrasonic sensor, optical flow positioning, waypoint track flight, follow me, LED screen remote control, 4 glorious LED lights, and 1 bright night light. This drone built-in 2 lithium polymer 7.6 volt, 3400 mAh high-capacity battery. 22 minutes plus 22 minutes of double flight time. A dual charger box that can charge 2 batteries together, reduce waiting time. 4 brushless motors and electronic speed controller make your B4W more agile and more adept at a high speed of 40 km per hour. Optical flow positioning helps B4W drone to auto-precise hovering with hands-free. Two-way 2.4 GHz radio control technology. It has a smart double alarm system. The transmitter will send out a reminder sound. Your flight is always safe. And at number 1, the drone is Potensic Dreamer P1, 4 Kelvins drone. This drone built-in powerful 1x3 CMO Sony sensor with an auto exposure function. Potensic Dreamer allows you to take 3840 by 2160 pixel photos, and clearly restore the shooting scene with 4K images. The anti-shake ball is designed to reduce vibration and ensures clear and ultra-smooth footage. Record more details of your daily life and make the video more smooth and delicate. It has a 3000 mAh 4S smart battery and a brushless motor. This Potensic Dreamer 4 Kelvins drone is capable of a powerful motor and low consumption while ensuring a maximum battery life of up to 31 minutes, making shooting more enjoyable. With its exclusive power AC dynamic system, Dreamer can instantly burst out triple power within 0.1 second to provide the best performance at a speed of 10 meters per second, and witty responses to various emergencies. Besides, equipped with a powerful brushless motor, enable this 4 Kelvins drone to work at a temperature of 0 degrees to 40 degrees. It can withstand different weather conditions within level 3 wind. Dreamer adopts an all-in-one design to minimize the complicated installation and calibration steps. Only 10 seconds to quickly and simply install the propellers. No more calibrate within the same 186.4 miles. A new intuitive and safe piloting app with the ergonomic remote control makes it easy for beginners to handle the flight. This drone is equipped with multi-function like Follow Me, Circle Flight, Waypoint Flight, Precise Altitude Flight, Auto Return, One Key Takeoff and Landing, Headless Mode, Emergency Stop, FPV, App Control, and so on. Get ready for the simplest and most intuitive flying experience. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.